How you doing, fellas? Yeah.
Okay, so what we'll do is just myself.
There we go, guys. Thumbs up. You the manager? I don't like to say sergeant because it's a military term, so I'm gonna call you manager today.
What's up, man?
How you doing, man? Are you the last one we spoke to on the other side last time?
Probably not.
You're not. Okay.
No.
You know what I realized is you guys just put up new signs over there, no trespassing.
And guess where we need them now?
Get out of here, dude. Hey, but you know what though?
Right,
do I really have to, I don't want to take the arrest, but do I really have to take an arrest like that in order to challenge these policies? Because in reality, that's not right, man. You know what I mean? That's what we do.
I'm not aware of what happened last time.
Okay, so actually we have a video that went viral at the sheriff's training facility over there.
Yeah.
And we actually got to walk around the compound. We did the LAPD too. Pretty cool. But you know, they call the cops on us and stuff like that. So they tried to kick us out there last time, and they couldn't, bro. They couldn't. Right? Sergeant came out. Excuse me. Manager came out and told us we couldn't. That he couldn't do nothing, so he just let us be. And plus, there's a memorial over there that's actually built for the people to see. How are we spending tax dollars to build a memorial, and we can't even see?
Well, I would verify that to see if taxpayer money is being used. I believe.
Really quick.
Yeah, but
Hey, can you tell him to put the flashlight away, bro?
One at a time, boss. I'm talking to him.
Yeah, we're not here for
Being rude to him.
Yeah, you guys don't need flashlights to beat us up. We're not bad guys, man. and it's not dark out here. So you guys can only be using it for one reason, man. Oh, my phone overheated. No way.
Yeah, we spoke with Mike, and we told him we were almost done doing our story.
Yeah, you know how everyone gets sensitive about this stuff. We're not used to the public coming back here.
Yeah.
Our bad, no trespassing signs. I'm sure we'll get them up. And just be cognizant that we have equipment and I'm sure these fire guys, they're not.
Man, we've had great conversations,
conversation.
and there's been
Okay,
people that have been out here helpful, telling us what they do. They've even offered us water and stuff. Like, yes, we've been treated kindly. You know, so we've been treated.
We'll watch you till you're bored, and then you guys go.
And we've been treated kindly though since we've been here. A couple guys came out with attitudes like, "Hoorah, you can't be here, yada yada yada." And I'm glad you put your flashlight away, man. I'm glad you put your flashlight away. And we're being respectful, right?
Oh yes, sir.
All right, cool, man.
And your name was
Arellano.
Arellano. Thank you, Arellano.
That's a crazy symbol.
Thank you,
How much
thank
does that cost?
Pennies. It's pennies compared to what we're doing and why it's necessary.
I need that for football.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what's up. Oh, to like the kids? That's what's up, man. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna tell you something. I'll give you the scoop on it. This one's a $1,000 camera. There's the next one over costs about $2,300. You don't want that one. This is the one you want, the AX53. Has a really good zoom. You just put a boom mic on it. Good to go, man.
Very nice.
And then start a YouTube channel too.
Very nice.
And quit your jobs and come work with us. So, the 3 stripes is manager. What are the 2 stripes?
Assistant manager.
Assistant manager. I like it. Hey, man, you have a good attitude, I gotta say. Name and badge number, if you don't mind.
Arellano, 287490.
287490. Mind if I get yours?
Valle.
Valle. All right, I'm gonna get a little close, and I'm limping, so don't be afraid.
Yeah,
I got a bad. I think my.
Valle.
Valle.
VALLE 5208.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, and I won't attack you because my sciatica just gave out. I'm limping today.
You're good, man. You're good.
Oh shit. I'm in pain today. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, it is. My phone just overheated. I appreciate you guys.
Go back to work. We did have a helicopter.
It's not like this is.
And I guess they sent the helicopter over.
Right.
It's everywhere.
Right.
Everywhere you walk in the store,
Everywhere you go. That's right, man.
There's a camera. Just because someone's not holding it doesn't mean there's no camera.
We
Right.
always tell people, is it the cameras or is it the people?
Man, we should have found some shade, fellas. Jeez.
There's no shade here.
There's a couple shade spots.
shade here.
Yeah, man.
Hey, your channel's buffering for like 5
Any other
minutes.
questions?
Yeah, I know. It's overheated.
Did it?
Yeah, because the iPhone
It's hot, yeah.
overheat.
Yeah, they will.
Good, man. How are you? Better now.
We got another manager over here. Hey, that was the manager that was over there on that side. Hey, earlier I kind of cussed you out a little bit. Well, let's start over, man, because I'm not really a bad guy. Can I get your name,
I
badge number?
appreciate it, but I don't think it was me.
Oh,
Sergeant Pantoja, 552-461.
Manager Montoya, what?
Pantoja,
Monto-
552-461.
Can I get your name, badge number?
Vodka, 518180.
Thank you, guys. Hey, on the real though, they're probably gonna put no trespassing signs here, but we're seeing that a lot within the county. Is they're just putting no trespassing signs wherever they want, wherever they don't want to see people with cameras. That's un-American, man. We do this for accountability. You know what I mean? And I mean.
Unfortunately, I don't even have a say in that.
Right. But you guys got to come and enforce it.
Yeah, exactly.
Ryan, what was your employee number? Employee number.
Oh, 602-253.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
This guy over there, the fireman, he got all paranoid and got all angry, and then he was like, he started to get unprofessional. He got all gangster. I was like, damn,
I
bro.
was just telling him that when you work for the public,
He also shave your mustache. You let it grow again?
It's hot, man.
That shit goes fast, man. I saw you with the mustache, and then you shaved it, and 2 weeks later, you had a fucking pick.
So, you guys have to stick around until we leave, or what?
Yeah, just cause I don't want the security guy to
Well,
get freaked out.
can you give me a ride?
Those are just regular Joe Blow security.
Well, can you give me a ride back to the front of the back seat?
it's hot out
I'd
here.
be
Go sit
glad
in the
to.
car and get some
I'd be
fresh
glad
air.
I'd be glad
I know my
to.
towel.
I'd be glad to. That's funny.
Air conditioning barely works.
You guys have extra waters by any chance?
I get
Yeah, the guy that gave us water,
Right here,
he
right here,
closed
right here.
already.
Nah, we're gonna go back and get some more. He's cool. Hey, we had a good conversation with this gentleman too.
Guys, be safe, man, and thank you guys for honoring your oath, man. We appreciate that. That's what we like. That's what
I
we
like to
want.
play around, and I tell you guys when I say tell you stay safe, I like to say
Hey, but
stay safe. Huh?
Photoshop
Photoshop it? No, come on, man. You have a good attitude, eh? See you guys.
Have a good day.
You too, man. Oh, look at. Crybaby time. Shit. Man, grown ass man pouting about.
10 feet, bro.
Hey, I was standing here first. Hey, but think about that, bro. You don't like civil rights. Think about that, though. Really think about that. Think about that, bro. You're gonna be on camera. I got 250,000 subscribers. That's right, man. You're trying to trample over my civil rights. How does that look on you, man? That's right. Your friends are gonna watch this and they're gonna talk to you later. They're gonna let you know I'm a good guy. And you were acting like you wanted to fight me, so that's not cool, man. You're acting all gangbanging ass and shit. That's not cool, bro. He was, bro. He was. He was telling me we could go down. We're not out in the streets. We could do it like that or something like that. I'm like, what? Dude, it's on camera. Well, just see it on camera, bro. But look, he's still all mad. He's still trying to get us in trouble. Well, for what?
I never get mad. I never get mad.
You seem pretty upset.
No.
And I even told you, man, let's start over. Let's have a good conversation. You're like, nope.
This guy was cool. Even firefighter.
The deputy was cool. He was cool. We had a good conversation. He wasn't so kind. The managers that came, they were cool, man. So I think we're out of here, guys.
on around here in this public place.
Yep.
And see, we still have officers here.
Harassing employees, come on.
We just read the computer that we're harassing employees, dude. We did not harass any employees. Yeah, we did not harass any employees, bro. As you can see, we're trying to have conversation, right? But I try to mirror the same energy, bro, that I get. So sometimes I gotta go hard, man. In case you haven't noticed, this is a really long video that I broke up and put it into parts. I'm gonna read to you a comment that was sent to me by Trevor Spring. The best thing said was, "You're a manager, right?" "No, I'm a sergeant." "I don't like that because that's a military rank." Spot on. The way police sergeants act is in no way comparable to a military sergeant. A military sergeant takes charge, has and shows responsibility for those he is in charge of, can and will correct or even punish bad behavior. A military sergeant serves with honor, integrity,
distinction and selfless devotion to the country, the military and his comrades in arms. A police sergeant, don't make me laugh. Military sergeants command respect. Police sergeants demand it. Military sergeants go out of their way to earn respect. Police sergeants demand it. Even calling them managers might be giving them too much credit. But manager is better than sergeant. Don't get me started on these police chiefs with delusions of grandeur that wear the 4 stars of our most senior military generals like they deserve such an honor. That's real Banana Republic bullshit if you ask me. Armchair auditor out. Trevor Spring, thank you so much. And I also want to give a huge shout out to Blue at Cannabis Talk 101 because we did a podcast episode with him. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Cannabis Talk 101. They will be putting that full podcast episode out soon. You don't want to miss it. But Blue brought something up in that podcast that I thought was outstanding, and I utilized it immediately that same night when we went out recording Police. This video here happened the very next day, so as you guys can tell, I try to implement things, especially when those things are educational, and I try to present those to you so that you can learn from it as well. With that being said, this video is not over. There's still some left, and the next part is my favorite part of the whole video. The sergeant we were talking to has to be one of my favorite sergeants that I've ever spoken to on a audit, hands down. You guys absolutely don't want to miss that video when it drops. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed day. I'll see you soon. Peace.